G'day guys, how are we? So in this video, we're actually not in my house, we're at my workplace and we're going to be helping good old Sammy out and we're going to be wrapping his race car. So he's going to be here very, very soon. We've got this lovely area to work with where it's nice and clean and whatnot. The company's called Fleet Image. He's an absolute legend. Appreciate the boss for letting me use this area. What we're chucking on this car is right here. Basically, we're making like a design up. I'll put in like the little render we have of it, of what it should look like, fingers crossed. And it should look wicked. I'm pretty excited. I think Sammy's pretty excited as well. It should make the car look heaps better, heaps more aggressive, more like it should belong on a track because it's a completely dedicated track car. When it gets here, I'll show you more about it. I guess let's just wait till good old Sammy turns up. He's usually about 3 hours late to everything, so we'll see him eventually. I think Sammy just got here. Ignore the extremely noisy door. There he is. He's the beast. Look at that. Oh, the smell of E85.
Not bad, mate, not bad.
This guy looks sick. I'm excited.
I'm fucking excited, bro.
I reckon this is mean.
Check out the inside.
That's sick. Oof, race car spec, mate. Oh, what's is that the horn?
Yeah.
It doesn't really work, does it?
I'm still working on the knot.
Oh, that's wicked.
Fucking working on the knots, mate.
You actually put knots in it?
Yeah.
That's sick.
You know I always go fucking extra mile.
Yeah. I'm surprised you're allowed to have the battery there. I thought you'd have to have it in the boot. Yeah, right.
As long as it's got a bracket on it.
Yeah, sick. By the way, if you guys haven't picked it up already, this is Mechanic Sammy.
Wow.
Garage Full Throttle. So yeah, we're doing all the stickers and everything all over his car. It's gonna be sick. I'm quite excited to see it. I think Sammy is as well. So I guess let's get straight into it. And I don't know, are you staying or are you gonna? You can pick it up.
I'll stay for a bit.
Yeah. Cool. All right. Well, let's get going. All right. So Sammy has just left now. He's dropped off the car to us. This is pretty damn exciting actually because this thing is gonna look wicked. It's fully built. It's got an STI motor that's been, I guess, vamped up a little bit. It's pushing 320 kilowatts, so it's definitely breaching that fine line between blowing cars up and not. He knows that. He's just going to send it. He reckons he's already building another motor. Too much money. But anyways. This is his race car. This is basically the before. And afterwards, this thing is going to look wicked. I cannot wait to see how this thing turns out. So rather than keep sitting there talking about how good it's going to look, let's just make it happen. So let's get straight into it. I'm so excited for this. This looks sick. I'm just going to start off by basically cutting all of that stuff out there and taping it on the car. And then once we're happy with how it looks on the car, which I've already got a render, as you guys saw earlier, we'll go off that. Once it matches up perfectly with that, we'll go and start sticking it on. It shouldn't be too bad. I wouldn't imagine it's going to take too long. Fingers crossed it doesn't. But yeah, it should be good. So let's start off by taping everything on and we'll go from there. Let's go. Alright, so now that I've gone and roughly put all of the stickers on as such, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off with the Garage Full Throttle logo, and then from there I'm going to put everything else around it and have it legitimately millimeter perfect. So yeah, I'm going to start off with putting that logo on first, and then I'm going to go everything on without it, but this is basically what it's going to look like just without the wire. So basically not exactly what it's going to look like, but kind of close. So it gives us an idea of what it's going to look like in the end. I reckon it's gonna look wicked, to be honest with you. Yeah, it'll look a lot better when there's no white there. But let's go and start sticking it on. So let's go. So we've got about half the stickers on now, and it is coming together, and it is looking a lot better than it did with the white paper. I was almost getting a little bit worried. I was like, oh, this doesn't look quite as good as it did on the render. But no, it's definitely coming together now, which is awesome. But no, I'm very happy with this. I'm extremely pleased how it came out, especially since I designed it. I did take inspiration off another thing we found on the internet, but I've just changed a few of the lines and whatnot on it. But yeah, I'm pretty damn happy with it. I reckon it's going to turn out really, really good. So let's continue on with it. One side is completely on and it looks wicked. I'm actually really, really happy with this. Like, it looks really, really good. I'm just gonna show you guys. So this is Sammy's new wrap on one side only. Boom, look at that. That looks wicked. I actually really, really like that. Like I said earlier, I was getting a little bit worried on how it was looking, but no, that definitely looks really, really good actually. I'm pretty happy with it. I reckon it looks wicked. So now all we have to do is do this side right here, then we're done. So I'm not going to record doing this side because you guys have already seen us do the other side. Let's just do a little bit of magic. I'm taking a bit of mic leg here, but with the power of magic, this thing turns from good old black here to, and boom, there it is. It's completely wrapped. We finished wrapping this side of the car. It looks wicked. I hope Sammy's happy with it. So let's fast forward to the next day when Sammy comes and picks it up. For you guys, it's gonna be like half a second. All right, so it is the next day and good old Sammy's just arrived. So he hasn't seen the car yet. He hasn't seen any photos or anything of it either. So hopefully he's excited because I'm excited to show him. What's going on? How are we? Excited to see the new whip?
Of course, mate. You didn't even send me some pictures.
I know, I didn't want to. Alright, time to open the roller door. I love it. I didn't really like it when it was just the white on the car, but yeah, it looks sick. I love it. I think it looks wicked. Yeah, I was worried when it had the white on the car. When you came, I'm like, oh, it doesn't look as good as it did on photos, but now it actually does look like the photos, which is sick.
Yeah, it goes with the background, yeah.
Yeah, is that what you wanted on the wing?
Yeah.
Yeah, and then I'll make a bigger one for that, and I'll get that sorted for you. Yeah, I reckon it looks sick. That looks wicked. I love it. Are you happy with it?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it looks cool. It looks like a proper race car now. Look at it.
Right.
It looks good. Hell yeah. But if you guys don't know, Sammy has a mechanic shop. Go check him out if you haven't already. It is garage full throttle, as you guys can see. But if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe, and I shall see you guys next video. See you later.